Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll teach you how to boost sales with a tiered offer. In your OptinMonster dashboard, select Pop-up and choose the template that fits your design needs. Next, you'll name your campaign and we can start building. In the drag and drop builder, we will design our initial offer, which will be 30% off of our subscriber's entire order. We'll make sure to change the wording on the Submit button, and remember, in the drag and drop builder, you can redesign anything including fonts, images, background colors, and much more. Next, in display rules, we'll choose to show our initial offer to those who have viewed 3 or more pages on our website. Make sure to show the opt-in view, and in the summary, we'll ensure that our display rules are correct. Next, in the Integrations tab, we'll connect to our email marketing service provider, such as Constant Contact. Under the Publish tab, toggle from pause to live and follow the embed instructions for your web platform. Next, we're going to create the follow-up offer for those who don't opt in to our first offer. We're going to switch it to a full screen campaign, but choose the same design. We'll name our campaign and we can start building. In the drag and drop builder, we'll create a follow-up offer for those who saw the initial offer but did not opt in. We'll write, "You drive a hard bargain. How about 30% off plus free shipping?" We'll change the text on the rest of our campaign to reflect this follow-up offer. Remember, you always have the freedom to change text, fonts, colors, branding images, and more. Next, in display rules, we'll choose to show this campaign to those who are about to exit your website and who have seen your previous offer but did not opt in. After next step, make sure to show the opt-in view, and in the summary, we can make sure that our display rules are correct. Next, as always, connect to your email marketing service providers such as Constant Contact. And finally, in the Publish tab, you'll want to toggle from paused to live and follow the instructions for your website platform. Now you've successfully created a tiered offer that's sure to capture you leads and boost your sales. Before you go, don't forget to download our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers.